Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we got a C4 Corvette in the shop. INA Mobile Solution. The issue the customer reported is a no start, no power to the dash. I already started looking into this. We got two blown fusible link. We just repaired one fusible link right here.